This week on Tech Talk Thursday, this forklift was leaking hydraulic fluid and had a dangerous drifting issue. Our customer called, and we came running. Let's fix it on site with minimal downtime. The culprit? A badly worn seal in the free lift cylinder. See that leak? That's a problem. Brandon, our technician, got to work tearing down the cylinder to replace the worn-out seals. Out with the old and with the new. Fresh seals ready to go. Precision is key. These seals are in place and ready to stop the leaks. Reassembly time. Retainer ring secured, cylinders going back in. A moment of truth. No more leaks. This forklift is back in business. All done, on-site, minimal downtime. AAA Forklifts specializes in mobile repairs, routine maintenance, and hydraulic fixes. Got a forklift issue? Call us, and we'll handle it. Call AAA Forklifts at 407-695-4387 for sales, service, repairs, and hydraulic solutions. In North Carolina, call us at 919-925-2217.
AAA Forklifts. It's not just a forklift, it's a AAA forklift.